Libertad! फैजान वही रहा रे सरकार से नाराज हो गए, अगर ये लोग इस देश से नाराज हो गए, इस देश को छोड़ के चले जाएंगे, तो इस देश का कैसे विकास होगा? Because we need youngsters, and for that, I think the government should, just do it. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Which college is it?
were involved as well. They were singing, they were dancing, they were playing, they were dance workshop here, poetry, children taking their own voices. So बरे दिसले म्हाका की एक आपल्या खातीर जरी तरी लोक येवपाक शकता to whatever problems we have, together we can solve it for Goa. And this is a hope for Goa. जे लोक सांगताले आरे गोंय आसा आतांची भुरगीं सामकी फुगणार, गोंया पुलिसांन कितें आंदोलन केलें, proud of the parents, teachers आनी like the boys of the safe hand. So आतां दुसरें कितें problem आसा ताच्या खातीर सगळी गोष्टी coalition
एक बिल पास केला युनियन कॅबिनेटान एंटी पेपर लीक बिल आसा ते असो आमी
so happy जे कितें आंदोलन जालें जे कितें this is the success. But the thing is repair with this was basic this was basic या हक्का खातीर आमचे इतले दीस रडचे पडले इतले आंदोलन करचे पडले. So that is the sad part. And I personally feel that the education minister owes us an apology. This is the bare minimum. कित्याक तर तुमची चूक आसा सर तुम्ही त्याच पोझिशनार आसा that you can be held accountable and we are asking for accountability. And with all the love we have, that is why we are asking for accountability. If we would have hated you, we would have ignored you. And we love you. We love this nation. That's why we are asking for accountability.
अमरीन आणि कोयर जेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट जालो आझाद मैदानाचेर एफआयआर फायल जाली 1000 अननोन 1000 म्हणटा सो त्या गजालीचेर कशें पळयता
my presence here
आणि कांयच
this is a public that refuse to engage with people. It does not answer to any question like we are right, we are in wrong, we will take a walk. It is something which is even happening at our local level. But these students have actually gone to ask for something very basic and for the government to come out and engage. Because of so I feel the very least I can do is acknowledge what they have achieved and stand by. That is the norm.
to understand this and channelize our concern. And because this is apolitical, apartisan, that's why people thought this is a safe
I
space.
think the issue goes
तेच आमी आयज पयलें तुमी खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक रिलेटेड कोणाक लोकांक दिवना
all the
तो डिसिजन तुमी आयज
various issues, the way they have been handled, is being reflected here by a section of society. Modified the quality and in a very I think it's asking for
like we can be the voice for this
morally
children.
fair to asking for it.
Rather be proud of
Has
us
to
and
engage
talk
back
to
and
us rather than
not an apology on tear gas, not an apology on the lagging crowd. What nonsense is this? And you are spreading false narratives in the media. Bangladesh wanted, Qatari wanted.
आज तुम्ही गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीचे तुम्ही रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आज जॉईन झाले प्रोटेस्टाक.
पक्ष आणि विद्यार्थ्यांनी चळवळ कितें हें लागच्यात आमकां सगळ्यांक आनी आज देशान एक अचानक एक वातावरण तयार जालां की सरकार जेन्ना वेगळें शुद्ध जाता आनी आयकना लोकांचें तेन्ना जेन्ना कशें उठता तें दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा आनी देशान आनी राज्यान इतिहास असो सदांच जेन्ना जेन्ना लोक भुरगे उठल्यात देशान असो किंवा गोंयान असो जेन्ना जेन्ना भुरगे उठल्यात तेन्ना सरकाराच्यो कशी फुटल्यात हे अख्खे देशान आनी गोंयान हाज्या पयलीं पयल्ले आसा तो नीट पेपर लीक जावप बारीकांतले बारीक भुरग्यांनी कोचिंग घेवन पेरंट्सांनी शिकोवन लाखांनी रुपया रीण काडून पयशे मेळून भुरग्यांक शिकोवप आनी पेपर फुटकच कांय ना अशें म्हणप आनी फास्ट ट्रॅक म्हणून सोल्युशन मंत्रालय राजिनामो जावपाक जाय आनी जेन्ना अख्खे देश अख्खे देशाचे भुरगे इरेस्पेक्टीव ऑफ पार्टी लायन इरेस्पेक्टीव ऑफ पॉलिटिकल बॅकिंग सगळे उठता आनी एक जाता म्हणटात की राजिनामो जावंक जाय हाजो केंद्रीय मंत्र्याचो तो जावंक जाय पूण तें जायना सरकार इज कमींग ऑन अ कॉन्फ्रंटेशन मोड जेन्ना जेन्ना भुरग्यां कडेन कॉन्फ्रंटेशन करता सरकार तेन्ना खंयच्या पक्षाचे आसूं जेन्ना जेन्ना कॉन्फ्रंटेशन म्हणून वता सरकार जेन्ना आमी भुरग्यां बरोबर जेन्ना जेन्ना सरकारी कमी फुटता हे आज ज्वलंत उदाहरण आसा आनी आमकां पुराय तेका आमकां आसतलो आज स्वता खबर आसता फॉर्मर स्टुडंट लिडर भुरग्यांक तेका दिवपाक हाय 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 हाय
अरे बंद कर रे Please ask for it. It's not right.
होय हा कुठेच गेले आमचं होय ओ बाबा होय
तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी। इस्तीफा दो।